Images are the biggest pain point for a WooCommerce store. So if you are dealing with a lot of products on your WordPress website, then you might see there is a lot of unused images taking up your server space and slowing down your website speed. So as you know, when you delete some of the products from here, it will not delete it from the media library, but we can use some code snippet to automate this process. So when you delete some of the products, it will automatically delete that product images from your media library and free up your server space. So for this, all you have to do is just install a plugin. So let me click on add new. Here you need a code manager plugin. So you can simply search for WP code and here install and activate this plugin WP code. So this plugin will allow you to add custom code snippet, and after that just go to the code snippet. Here you need to click on add new. Now let's add your custom code snippet. Now here you need to select the PHP snippet and here you can set a title like delete WooCommerce images and let me paste it here. So let me copy the code from here and let me paste it. So once you use this PHP code on your website, it will automatically delete all of your product images when it is deleted from the product listing. So let me go to the products here, go to all products. Now let me delete this product mock. So you can see these two products are related to that product page. So let me click on trash here. Now you need to go to the trash section and remove it from the trash as well, otherwise it will not delete it from your media library. So let me hit apply. Now let's go to the media library and let's refresh this page, and as you can see that the same mock images are now removed. Now let me remove these 2-3 products here. So let's go to the all products. Let me select this mobile case and this mock as well. Now let me click on move to trash and let's apply. Now let's go to the trash here and here I can click on empty trash. Now let's go to the media library and let me refresh it, and as you can see that now those images are gone. So this is how you can free up your server space and delete all your unused images when you delete any product pages. So this code snippet will be super helpful for those WooCommerce website who are dealing with a lot of products and constantly change their product inventory. So when you use this code snippet, it will automatically delete all of your product images when you delete that product from your WordPress website, and this can save you a lot of server storage and improve the blog loading speed. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.